What is this? Bar. This is not indicating north pole. Which pole? North pole. See. So now I am finding magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. Nagaraju, come. Spread the iron fillings around that bar magnet. Okay. So we will find one good pattern around the bar magnet. Around the bar magnet. Now see. Now this is one solenoid. This is one solenoid. Now I am passing the 6 volts current through that solenoid. See what happens. Whenever I send the current, electricity through the solenoid, that one also works as a bar magnet. Bar magnet. You can observe same field lines around that solenoid. See. See. Okay. Thank you.